As we can see in this example, x is not across from our 90-degree angle. So that means x is not going to be our longest side. Instead, 7.2 meters is going to be our longest side. So knowing this, let's set up our formula of Pythagorean theorem of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So x and 5.3 meters are going to be our a and our b because they're not the longest side length, and 7.2 is going to be our c squared. So let's just label a as x squared plus b squared, which is 5.3 squared, equals c squared, which is 7.2 squared. Now we have x squared plus 5.3 squared, which is 28.09, equals 7.2 squared, which is 51.84. Now to get this x by itself, we're going to subtract 28.09 from both sides. And we're left with x squared equals 23.75. Now all we have to do is take the square root of both sides to isolate for x, and we get x equals 4.87, and we can't forget our units of meters. Now again, we can check if this makes sense, because we know that x is not our longest side, so that means our value of x should be smaller than our longest side of 7.2 meters. Well, 4.87 meters is shorter than 7.2 meters, so therefore x is right and makes sense as our final answer.